Good evening, all of you. Welcome to Ashok IT. So before going to start today's session details, first I will give a quick introduction about your trainer. So my name is Ashok. So I'm having total 9+ years of experience, 9+ years of experience as Java full stack developer. And currently I'm working as Java technical lead in MNC company, Hyderabad location. So that is fraud-based company. I'm working for a banking sector company in Hyderabad location, right? It is fraud-based company. And apart from this 9 years of IT experience, I am having 6+ years of experience in training. So coming to my skill set, Java, J2EE, Spring Boot, microservices, Angular, Linux, AWS, and DevOps. So currently these are the skills that I have, and you people also should learn all these things because that is what industry is expecting from full stack developers. So if you know only Java, that is not sufficient. Along with Java, you should know some front-end technology. You should know at least one cloud platform, and you should know how to perform deployments of the application by using DevOps tools also, right? So whatever the skill set that I have, you people also should have that skill set to become a full stack developer. If you know all these things, then only you are called as a full stack developer. Then you will get more opportunities in the industry to work, right? So this is very quick introduction about myself. Now let's get started with our training program. So today we all are here to discuss about Java full stack development. Java full stack development. What is your opinion about full stack development? Any idea? Can anyone tell me what is full stack? Combination of front end and back end is called as full stack development. Perfect. Now, sir, as part of this full stack development, if you want to attend this Java full stack development training program, what are the prerequisites? Can anybody learn this full stack development, or we need to know some programming, or we need to have any prerequisite? What are the prerequisites to attend this Java full stack development? The prerequisites to attend the full stack development, your time. That's it. You no need to have any programming knowledge. Sir, I am not from IT background. I am not from CSE background. Can I attend Java full stack development? Some people may have such kind of questions. If you are from any background, still you are eligible to attend Java full stack development, because this course we are starting from very basic level. From 0 to hero level we are going to understand as part of this training. No prerequisites. If you don't know C language, if you don't know C++, if you don't know Java, no problem. We are going to start from very basic, from 0 level. I am going to consider all of you as a freshers. I am going to think that you don't know anything about programs. You don't know anything about programming languages. From that level, we are going to understand Java full stack. So what are the prerequisites to attend Java full stack development? What are the prerequisites? Only your time. You need to give me minimum 5 to 6 months of time. Then I will make you as a full stack developer. Sir, can I become full stack developer in 1 month? It is not possible, because there are so many technologies are available. That technologies you need to know, then only you will be called as a full stack developer. Becoming a full stack developer within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, it is not possible. We can deliver the content, but you cannot understand that. You are here to complete the course or to become a programmer. What is your agenda? You are here just to complete the course, or you are here to become a full stack developer? You want to become a full stack developer. If you want to complete the course within 3 months, you can complete, but there is no use. There is no use. You need to spend minimum 5 months of time to become a full stack developer, because those many technologies are there. Those many technologies we need to learn, and we need to develop real projects with your hands. You need to write the code, then only you will be called as a full stack developer. So prerequisites are nothing. No prerequisites are available. You need to have your time. You need to have your time and your dedication and commitment. Your time, your dedication, your commitment are the prerequisites to become a full stack developer. Good. Next one. Coming to course content. Sir, what we are going to learn as part of this training? What is the syllabus of this Java full stack development? I have divided this Java full stack development into 3 parts. I can call it as 3 modules. Now, so in the module 1, you are going to learn backend development. In the module 1, you are going to learn backend development. What are the things comes under backend development? Here, you are going to learn core Java, and you don't need to write a note, sir. No need. I will share the notes, right? So you are going to learn core Java, and you are going to learn advanced Java, and you are going to learn a database. So there are several databases available, Oracle and MySQL. At least you should know one database to develop backend of the application. So as part of the module 1, you are going to learn backend development. First one, core Java, the fundamentals of the Java. What is Java? How to install the Java? How to write a Java program? How to compile the program? How to run the program? How to develop small applications by using Java? What are OOPS concepts? What is exception handling? What is arrays? What are strings? How to deal with the files? How to deal with files? What are the new features available in the Java? All the programming fundamentals you are going to learn as part of core Java. So core Java is mandatory for every programmer, because you need to know what is a variable, what is a data type. If you go for a DevOps also, some programming will be available, some scripting will be available. If you go for software testing also, programming will be available. If you want to survive in the IT industry, programming knowledge is mandatory. There are so many people, I don't like programming, I don't know programming, I want to get the software job. Nowadays, if you don't know programming, you are not fit for IT industry. Every technology requires the people who is having some knowledge on the programming. Every technology, if you go for a .NET, programming will be there. If you go for Python, programming will be there. If you go for a testing, programming will be there. Any technology you take, programming is required. So that programming is very important. Your logical thinking. If I give you a problem, how to understand that problem, how to solve that problem, how to write a program for that. That programming we are going to learn as part of core Java. Core Java nothing but, what is the meaning of core? Basic fundamentals. Core nothing but the basic fundamentals will be available. You are going to learn core Java. Once core Java is completed, can I call as a Java developer? No. Core Java means just a basic of the programming. How to write a small programs, how to perform calculations using Java, how to write the logics by using Java program, that you are going to learn as part of core Java. Once core Java is completed, then we will come to advanced Java. What is the meaning of advanced Java? What is the meaning of advanced Java? How to develop applications by using Java. My Java application is available. Web application. I want to develop one website. I want to develop one website. Can you develop a website by using core Java? No. Core Java nothing but just program syntaxes. Programming fundamentals will be available. You are going to learn programming basics, programming fundamentals, programming syntaxes, programming elements, and you will learn how to write a program in the core Java. That's it. When it comes to advanced Java, you will get some more knowledge to develop a website. You are using Facebook, you are using WhatsApp mobile app, Gmail, Naukari, IRCTC, so many websites you are using. To develop such kind of websites, we are going to learn advanced Java. In this advanced Java, there are three parts available generally: JDBC, servlets, and JSP will be available. What is this JDBC? By using, I'm not asking full form. We are not kids, right? I don't need any full form. Okay. Now, JDBC. JDBC is used to establish connection between Java application and database. Now, you will chat with your friends in the WhatsApp. You will send good morning, good evening. When you open the WhatsApp tomorrow, that message will be available or will not be available? Will be available. That means WhatsApp is storing our messages somewhere. Where it is storing? Database. So now programmatically our website should communicate with the database. My Java application should communicate with the database. My Java application should be able to store the data in the database. My Java application should be able to retrieve the data from the database. How Java application can communicate with the database? That's where JDBC comes into picture. What is the purpose of JDBC? To establish communication between Java application and database, right? That is very, very, very important. For every website, database will be available. Every application should communicate with the database. So if Java application wants to communicate with the database, we need to use JDBC, right? Now, I am developing one program. My program, I can run in my system. If I develop a program in the laptop, that program I can run only in my laptop. How you can access my program? No. I need to make that application available in the internet. Yes or no? Now we are accessing Facebook. Did we develop the Facebook? Who developed it? Some company. Some company developed it. Are we able to access by using our browser? Are we able to access that by using your browser or not? That means whatever the programs they developed, they kept those programs in the internet. We are able to access. Similarly, whatever the Java programs we are developing by using core Java, if we want to keep our application, our program in the internet, then we need servlet. What is the purpose of servlet? To make our application accessible through internet. Whatever the project I am developing in my computer, I should be able to access my application in my computer, and you should also able to access my application. For that we are going to use servlets, right? Next one, JSP is available. JSP, I can say that it is outdated in the market. JSP is outdated in the market. Do we need to spend much time for JSP? Not required. First of all, what is this JSP? JSP is used to develop front end of the application, user interface. When you open Facebook, login button will be available. Enter your email ID, enter your password, click on this link to register. That is called user interface. To develop that user interface, we are going to use JSP. But currently, JSP is outdated. Instead of using JSP, people are using Angular, React, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Angular, React. Angular, React are having the demand in the market to develop front end. JSP is not there in the market. To be frank, I am there in the industry from 9 years. First 2 years, I worked with JSP. From last 7 years, I did not create single JSP also in my company. Do you believe that? From last 7 years, I have not created single JSP file also in my company project. What is the reason? In my project, we are not using that. From last 7 years, I have not used JSP. There is no demand for that. There is no demand for that. What we are using? We are using Angular, or we are going to use React. And Angular and React both are not required. Only one is required. Are you able to understand? In the project, either Angular will be available or React will be available. Both will not be available in the single project. Are you going to learn both Java and .NET? Anybody will learn both Java and .NET? No. Why? One programming language is sufficient to get the job. Similarly, to develop user interface for a project, either Angular or React, both are not required. So now, do we need to waste our time by learning JSP? No. I will give very least importance for JSP in our course because that is not required. If you want, I can teach, but my time will be wasted. Your time also will be wasted. That is not required. That is outdated. That is our father's generation technology, not our generation technology. Got my point? Right. Now, so what is core Java? Why we are going to learn core Java? What will be there in the core Java? Programming syntaxes, programming basics, programming structure, you are going to learn in the core Java. What in the advanced Java, what is available? JDBC available, servlets available, JSP available. What is the purpose of JDBC? Whatever the Java whatever the website you develop by using Java, that Java website should be able to communicate with the database. So if any Java application, whatever the Java application you develop, if Java application wants to communicate with the database, there is only one option, that is JDBC. Right. What is the purpose of servlets? What is the purpose of servlets? To make our website accessible in the internet. Whatever the website we are developing, whatever the application we are developing, that application we need to provide the accessibility for that application in the internet. That we are going to achieve by using servlet. What is JSP? User interface. Front end we are going to develop by using JSP. But JSP having a demand in the market? No. JSP does not have much demand in the market. Why JSP does not have much demand in the market? JSP is outdated. What is alternate for the JSP? Angular is available, React is available. Fine. After core Java and advanced Java completed, we are going to learn one database. What is a database? What is relational database? What is a NoSQL database? How to create the tables in the database? How to insert the data? How to perform CRUD operations? Did you hear about CRUD? CRUD? No. Create, update, retrieve, delete. I should be able to create the table, create the record, update the record. Now, when you open a WhatsApp chat of your friend, what will happen? It will display all the messages you have sent. That means it is retrieving the data and it is displaying the data. So we should be able to, whenever you send a message, hi, what will happen? The data will be stored into database. So data will be stored, data will be updated, data will be deleted, data will be retrieved. Those are the CRUD operations we are going to perform. So we need to know SQL language. One language will be there, that is called SQL, Structured Query Language. Now I am communicating with you. How I am communicating? English. I know English, you know English, we are discussing in the English. Similarly, I want to communicate with the database. Does the database knows English? Does it know Hindi? No. For database, there is a language called SQL. That is binary language, right? So if we want to communicate, that is computer language. 01 is a computer language. So database is a software that a database knows SQL, Structured Query Language. So if you want to perform any operation with the database. If you want to store the data, or if you want to retrieve the data, or if you want to update the data, then you need to go for SQL. So that SQL we are going to learn as part of database. So if you know all these three, then you can develop backend of the application. That is called as backend development. So this is called as backend development. Once this backend development is done, then our second module will start. In this second module, we are going to learn front end development. What is the meaning of a front end? Whatever you are seeing on the website, if you open naukari.com to apply for a job, whatever you see on the website, that is called as front end. In order to develop front end for the application, there are some technologies available like HTML and CSS. HTML available, CSS available. HTML is used to design web pages. CSS is used for makeup for the website. You want to apply some colors, some styles. Okay, so some graphics that you can add for our website by using that CSS. Next, we are going to use JavaScript. JavaScript will be available in the front end. JavaScript is used to add dynamic nature for the website. If I click one button, the data should go. If I click one button, one pop-up should come. Any dynamic behavior, if you want to add for the website, then we will give that dynamic behavior per website by using JavaScript. Next one, we will use Bootstrap. Bootstrap is used for styles only, but mobile compatibility. You can access a website in the computer in the browser, or you can access same website in the mobile also. So when I open a website in the mobile, it should display as per my mobile size. It should adjust as per mobile size. Some people will be using Apple mobiles. Some people will be using Samsung, Redmi. Different height will be available. Different width will be available. As per our mobile window size, my website should be adjusted. For that, we are going to use Bootstrap. Got my point? Now, along with this, to develop the applications front end, currently in the market, people are using Angular or React. You no need to learn both. One is sufficient. Either Angular or React is sufficient to develop front end part of our application. Are you clear? So back end development and front end development. Module 1 and module 2. Now, anybody who is doing their graduation, BTech, second year, third year, fourth year? No? Fine. Anybody who is doing their BTech, undergraduate, you're undergraduate, okay. So if anybody is undergraduate, for undergraduates, these two modules are sufficient. If you are doing your BTech or degree, if you want to attend campus interviews, then these two modules are sufficient for you. Okay, when you are going to attend a campus interview, the questions that they are going to ask in the campus interview from these two modules only. Are you clear with that point? Right. Sir, my graduation is completed. 1 साल हो गया, 2 साल हो गया. I have 3 years gap. I have 4 years gap. I have 1 year gap. If you have some gap, or if you already completed your BTech in the 2021 or 22 or before that, then you need to go for module 3 also, which is very important. In this module 3, we are going to learn Java frameworks. We are going to learn Java frameworks. Sir, already we know backend development here and we know front-end development here. Then why we are going for Java frameworks? In the company, once you get the job in the company, the projects we are going to develop by using frameworks only. The actual work, what is the main reason we are learning this back-end development and this front-end development? To develop the website, to develop a mobile application or to develop a web application. what are the technologies that are currently used in the market to develop the Java application? Now I am working in the company. From last 7 years, I am working on these Java frameworks only to develop the application. So what are the frameworks available that are used in the market to develop the applications in the IT industry? So as part of Java frameworks, you need to learn one framework that is called Spring. The most important concept or the most important technology for every Java programmer. If you don't know Spring, you will not get the job. That is 100%. Because in every company, every project is developing by using Spring only. So tomorrow, if you keep a resume in the Naukari, if a company call for the interview, hey Ashok, do you know Spring? How many years of experience you have in the Spring? If you say I don't know Spring, okay, tata, bye bye. Who will take you when you don't know the Spring? What is the use? What is the use? You cannot do anything in the company, because in the company every project will be developed by using Spring only. So Spring is the most important framework for the Java people. If you want to become a Java developer, the ultimate goal, you need to learn the Spring. That is what is happening in the industry. Spring. Inside this Spring, there is a concept called Spring Core available, and another one is Spring Boot. So Spring Boot is also part of the Spring only. First Spring came into market. Now iPhone came, iPhone 10, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14 also coming. What is that? Upgrades. Upgrades are coming. The upgrade for the Spring framework is the Spring Boot. Currently, Spring Boot is hot cake in the market. In your resume, if you keep Spring Boot per day, 25 to 30 interview calls you are going to get. That much demand is there for Spring Boot in the market. Are you guys getting my point? Did you hear that term Spring Boot? Did any of your friends told you Spring Boot? Did anybody told that you have to learn the Spring Boot? Yes. In the companies, projects are developing by using Spring Boot only. Spring Boot, and we need to know another thing is microservices. So it is too high to discuss about microservices in the demo session. Microservice is a design pattern that is used to develop the application. Currently, we are not that much matured to discuss about microservices. Okay, and I'm going to tell you, in this Amirpet, our institute is the brand for Spring Boot and microservices. You can inquire with any of your friends. They will tell you who is best for Spring Boot and microservices. Right? You can come to know that. So our institute is the best in the market for Spring Boot and microservices. Right? So without having the knowledge on Spring Boot and microservices, you will not get the job outside of your campus. If you are going for a campus interview, as I told you, this is not required. For campus interview, this is not required. Who should know this Java frameworks? If you want to try for the job with some experience, or if you want to attend the interview as a fresher also, outside of your campus, your college period is completed. Now you are going to attend the interview. Every company will ask for Spring Boot microservices. Now, along with this Spring Boot and microservices, we need to know some real-time tools. How to do the code review, how to store the code. So in the project, multiple members will be available, 10 members will be available. Everybody will write the program. How to integrate that code, how to check the code quality, how to deploy that code in the server, what is a server, how to do the deployment, what is a Docker, what is a Kubernetes, what is Jenkins, GitHub, Maven, Log4j, SonarQube, Jira. There are so many tools that we are going to use in the company every day. So those tools also you need to learn. Those tools are called as real-time tools. Here I am going to teach 20 plus real-time tools as part of this course, like Maven, GitHub, Jenkins, SonarCube, JMeter, Log4j, WinSCP, Putty, Lombok, debugging, Kafka, Redis, Docker, Kubernetes. Like that, there are so many tools are available. So 20 plus tools we are going to understand as part of this Java frameworks. Next, after completion of these real-time tools, we are going to develop one end-to-end real-time project. We are going to develop one end-to-end real-time project. This real-time project, our people will call it as JRTP, Java Real-Time Project. This is Spring Boot microservices, we are call it as SBMS, Spring Boot microservices and Java Real-Time Project. Are you guys clear? So these are the topics that we are going to cover as part of module 3. Sir, after completion of this module 3, you are equal to 4 years experienced Java developer. That much content you are going to understand as part of Spring Boot microservices and Java real-time project. So you can see in our Telegram group, every day people will be posting the messages. Yesterday I got one message from one of the student who got the job in the TCS with the 10 lakhs package. He is from our Spring Boot microservices. And I can show you some of the messages that we got from our previous batch people. Now he got selected in the Infosys. He is from our Java real-time project. He got the job in the Infosys as a fresher. And these are the people who are from my Java real-time project training. These are the people from JRTP batch, Java real-time project. She got 8 lakhs and he got a 22 lakhs package, Java project batch student. He got 9 lakhs package. He got 10 lakhs. And these people 21 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 3.6. So this person is from Java real-time project. She is from Java real-time project. She got 23 lakhs package. So she got 18 lakhs package, Java real-time project batch student. He got 7 lakhs. He got big MNC, 13 SBMS, Spring Boot microservice student. He got 18 lakhs. He got 6 lakhs. These people 24 lakhs package is also there. 23, 24, 8, 12. He got 19.8 lakhs package. These are the people. These all are from our Spring Boot microservices and Java real-time project batches, right? So that much demand is there for these courses in the market. Without knowing these courses, it is difficult to get the job in the company as a Java full stack developer, and it is difficult to survive also. Every day the work will be there on the Spring Boot microservices and real-time tools only. And you are going to develop end-to-end project as part of this real-time project batch. Got my point? Now, Ashok IT Institute started in the year of 2020 with Spring Boot microservices and real-time project only. 2 years back, we started this institute. Earlier, I used to work as a trainer in the other institute. I don't want to name it. So after that, in the 2020, we started Ashok IT. The first course that we launched in the Ashok IT, Spring Boot microservices, that became super hit in the market. Now there is no competitor for Ashok IT with respect to Spring Boot microservices and Java real-time project, because in the total 9 years of time, whatever I have learnt in the IT, whatever I have done in the IT, what is there in my brain, everything I am going to teach as part of module 3 as of now. So this is my first batch for Java full stack development. From last 6 years, I am teaching only Spring Boot microservices and real-time project. This is my, now why I came to Java full stack development. The reason, we are very strong in the module 3. Now, to be frank, I'm telling you, currently one batch is running, 21 JRTP at 8:45 AM. So there are so many people who are coming to Ashok IT for Spring Boot microservices and real-time project. But people are not coming to Ashok IT for the Java full stack. There is some gap. So that is the reason I came to this Java full stack development. This is my first batch. We want to prove that we are even strong in the core Java and advanced Java also. That is the main reason why I am taking Java full stack development. It is something like the person who knows how to ride a flight, riding a cycle now. Yes or no? The faculty who is going to teach the frameworks will not teach core Java. Core Java is nothing but very basic. So first time I'm taking this as a challenge. I want to prove that Ashok IT is even best in the Java full stack development also. We can also provide 100% placements for Java full stack developers from our institute. Definitely, we are going to do that. Our students will not go for fresher jobs. 100% I'm telling you, Kasam se, the students who completed Spring Boot microservices and real-time project will not go for a interview as a fresher. What is the reason? What is the reason Ashok IT students will not go for the interview as a fresher? After completing our Spring Boot microservices and real-time project, you are far better than the person who is working in the industry from last 4 years. Because you can check with the people how many tools they know, how many tools they used in the last 4 years of time. Maximum 5 or 6 or 8. But here you are going to learn 20 plus real-time tools. So that is the reason I'm telling you, Ashok IT students will not go for the job as a fresher because we are learning so much. We are learning so much. We are learning the real-time content. What people are doing to do in the company, same thing we are going to do in our course. So now you have seen people got 20 lakhs package, 30 lakhs package, 24 lakhs package. What is the reason? Content, subject. So when you go for the interview, and to be frank, some students told me that, sir, when we are giving the interview, they are asking, are you from Ashok IT? Because our people resume will have 20 tools. By 3 साल में कैसे आपको chance मिला इतना tools पे काम करने के लिए? How you got the chance to work with 20 tools within 3 years of time? Will anybody get that? To be frank, no. Why I am teaching 20 tools? Did I learn the 20 tools within 1 year? No. I spent 9 years of time to work with the 20 tools. So tomorrow when you go for the company, when you go for the job also, 20 tools will not be available in any project. No project will use all the 20 tools that we are going to discuss. I changed 4 companies, 5 companies in the 9 years of time. 5 different projects I have developed, different technologies, different tools. That is my experience. I am going to share all my experience with you people as part of this training. Once you keep all this content in the resume, definitely the interviewer will get shocked and he will get surprised by 3 साल पे इतने कैसे सीखा? How you got to know these many things within 3 years of time? So that is what happened with the previous batch students. That is what the feedback I got from my previous batch students. Right? Definitely I'm going to give you the same best content as part of this, all the modules. So once you join for our Java full stack development, you are going to start with module 1, that is backend development, core Java, advanced Java, database. And module 2, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Angular or React. Any one, not both. If you learn both, you will get confused. You are going to learn either Angular or React. It's up to you which one you want to learn. I will give the flexibility. Then coming to module 3, Java frameworks, Spring Core, Spring Boot, microservices, real-time tools, and real-time project. After completion of this, all the 3 modules, you can keep 3 to 4 years of experience as a Java developer if you have career gap. Hey, gap? Hey, when you completed your graduation? 2021. So you have 1 year gap only. Yeah. So anybody having 3 to 4 years gap? Lucky people. If you have 3 years gap, whatever the 3 years gap that you have, that 3 years gap you are going to keep as a Java experience, and you are going to attend the interview. Maximum 4 interviews or 5 interviews, you will get 5 to 6 offer letters. That is for sure. There is no doubt about it. But you need to practice according to that. You are going to say you are a Java experienced developer. काम तो करना ही पड़ेगा. You have to show that experience. In order to show that experience, more practice is required. I will give you the proper plan for next 5 months of time. Next 5 months, I am going to consider you not as a student. I am going to consider you as my employee. Every day I will give you task. You have to complete the task. You have to submit the task. In the real time, how the task will be coming to you. Once you join in the company, how your team lead will give the task, how your manager will give the task for you. Now, from today, I am not your trainer. I am your team lead. I am going to consider you as my team member. I am going to give the task on daily basis. You have to come to institute 9 to 8. You have to be in the institute. I am providing you AC lab. I am providing you lab coordinator. I am providing you offline classes, online classes. You will get the class recording. You will get the class notes. You will get the class video. All 360 degrees support will be there from my side, and your dedication, your commitment should be there. Then we can do the wonder. Then only magic will happen. 5 months you need to dedicate. You need to write that. Sir, 5 months I will be there with you. Then only I will take you into this batch. Otherwise, I will not accept you for my batch. Because as I told you, this is my first batch for Java full stack. My students got surprised. Sir, are you teaching core Java? I have not taught core Java in the last 6 years of time. This is very first time I'm teaching Java full stack development. This is the challenging batch. All the institutes in the Amirpet also watching. Ashok started full stack. Kaise? How it will be? Will it be success? Will it be fail? So I want to prove that our batch is going to success. So it is a personal batch for me, and it is my first batch. It is a challenging for me. How many people join in this batch? 100% jobs we should get. All the people should get the jobs. Then only I can say in the market, yes, our full stack development is successful. So if I want to get 100% success, if I teach the class regularly, will I get that success? 50% effort will be there from my side. 50% effort should be there from your side. If you just listen to the class, is it sufficient? If you just listen to the class, is it sufficient? No. What is more important? Practice is more important. Without practice, nothing will happen. Every day, attendance will be available. How many people are coming to the class? How many people are coming to the lab? Attendance will be taken. Minimum 95% of attendance is required. Then only you will be there in the batch. Otherwise, you can take your fees wapas. We are not taking this batch for money. We are taking this batch to prove that our Java full stack is also strong in the market. Are you clear with my point? If you are absent for the classes continuously 3 days, your admission will be cancelled. I will give your fees wapas. There is no doubt about it. If you don't come for the lab also, your admission will be cancelled. I will not accept you. I will give your fees wapas. You can go and join in the other institute. No problem. If you join in this batch, you have to attend the regular class. You have to come to everyday lab session, everyday task also you have to complete. Then only you will continue in the batch. Otherwise, you will go to other institute. Got it? Good. Fine. So in this course, what are the 3 modules available, guys? Backend development is available and front-end development is available. Java frameworks available. In the backend development, what we are going to learn? Core Java, advanced Java, database. Coming to front-end development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Angular, React. Coming to module 3, frameworks. Spring Core, Spring Boot, microservices, real-time tools, and real-time project. Fine. Coming to course details, guys. Coming to course details. Sir, what is the duration of this course? That is the first doubt. The duration 5 to 6 months. The duration 5 to 6 months. There is no compromise. There is no compromise. I cannot complete the course within 3 months of time. It is not possible. I can complete, but can you digest? If I give you 1 kg of cake, can you eat in the single shot? Is it possible? No, because our mouth is not capable to take 1 kg of cake at a time. Similarly, your brains are not capable to understand all these concepts within 3 months of time. Got my point? Only you can learn these 3 modules by spending 5 to 6 months minimum. I will tell you, in the 2012, I learned Java in the Amirpet only by spending 1.6 years. 1.6 years at that time. 10 साल पहले full stack कहाँ है भाई? This module 3 is not available. This module 3 is not available. This React Angular also not available in the 2012. Only for these concepts. Along with that, Hibernate was there. Struts framework, some outdated frameworks. Currently they are outdated. At that time, they are trending. At that time, they are trending. We learned those frameworks in the 2012. It took me 1.5 years to learn the Java because due to lack of proper guidance, I have done core Java first. After core Java completed, I have done advanced Java. My faculty took JDBC 3 months, servlets 3 months, JSP 3 months. Pura time waste ho gaya. At that time, I don't know. I don't have any friends who are working in the IT. To be frank, at that time, smartphone also not available. 10 years back, this much maturity, these many resources, technology is not available. So that's why we spent 1.5 years to learn the Java. But currently that much is not required. That much is not required because this module 1 and module 2, you can learn parallelly. You can learn parallelly. So this backend development, I'm going to take in the evening every day. Timings are same, 6 to 7:30. Class will be available every day. Now, this module 1 is going to take 3 months of time. Are you guys getting my point? In that 3 months of time, core Java is going to take more time. Core Java, the fundamentals of the programming is going to take more time. So core Java is going to take minimum 2 to 2.5 months. Minimum 2 to 2.5 months we are going to spend for core Java. JDBC servlets JSP to nahi chahiye. I am going to cover JSP also, but minimum 3 days or 4 days, not more than that. Wo bhi waste of time, right? But I will give you the overview. What is JSP, right? So advanced Java is going to take 30 days, 30 days, right? So because currently we need this knowledge, but we are not going to work with these technologies directly in the project. Why we need to learn this advanced Java, sir? The Spring that we are going to use, the Spring Boot that we are going to use, internally it will use our JDBC and servlets. So in order to understand this Spring Boot or Spring framework, you need to have some knowledge on the JDBC and servlet. That is the prerequisite. To understand that we are not going to butify anything. You need to do postmortem on the technology. You need to understand internals, how it is working, why it is working like this, why not like this. Okay, what will happen if I develop a program like this? A kaise kaam kar raha internally, how it is working internally. To understand the details of the Spring Boot, we need the knowledge of JDBC and servlets. So I'm going to give you JDBC and servlets within 20 to 25 classes, not more than that. The most of the precious time we are going to spend on core Java. That is very important because every day you need to write the program. To write the program, you need to think. Logical thinking is required. Programming syntaxes are required. The fundamentals should be very strong. If you want to construct 10 floors building, what is required? Basement should be very strong. Pillars should be very strong. If you want to become a Java developer, first you should be strong in the core Java. So that's why 2 months, 2.5 months of time we are going to spend for core Java. 20 days we are going to spend for advanced Java, JDBC, servlets, and JSP. Within these 3 months of time, you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. I am not the trainer for that HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. Other faculties are available. There are 3-4 faculties available in our institute who will teach you front-end development. But Angular, I will teach. Angular, I am going to teach as part of our Java framework. Actually, Angular is not a Java framework, but in the real-time project, I am going to teach Angular also. Only HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, you will learn from other trainer. So who is the trainer? It is your choice. There are 3-4 trainers are available within the 3 months of time. Whenever you are free, either in the morning or in the night time, whenever the new batch is started, you can attend for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. I am not going to teach these 4 concepts. Got my point? Coming to Angular, I'm going to teach Angular also for you. Then Java frameworks. All these things will take 3 months of time. There is no doubt, because that is the main crux of the course. So you have to learn real time, how to develop a project on your own. The real time projects development we are going to do in the frameworks. These frameworks are going to take 3 months of time, including Angular, Spring Boot, microservices, REST API, real time project also will trainer for all these concepts. Okay, now Angular I'm going to teach. React I'm not going to teach, guys, because I'm not good with React. I have not worked with React.js in my company. In my company we are using Angular. If you want to attend Angular, then you can come to my classes. If you want to go for React, separate trainer will be available for you. Okay, because I'm not perfect in that area. So that is the reason I don't want to teach you React. I am perfect in the Angular. I can teach you Angular. Good. Next, coming to backend development, core Java, advanced Java, and database, I'm going to take. So complete module 1, complete module 1 and complete module 3. I will be the trainer for those 2 modules. So first 3 months, backend development will be available. Next 3 months, frameworks will be available. So you need to spend 5 to 6 months of time. Then only you will get this tag, Java full stack developer. Fine. So the course duration is going to take 5 to 6 months of time. Now class timings 6 to 7:30 p.m. IST. Same timing, guys. Timing is not going to change. 6 to 7:30 p.m. IST. Every day class will be available. Monday to Monday. All days. Every day. Otherwise, I can't complete the content, man. So some Sundays I will give the leave, but every Sunday is not a leave for you. Every Sunday is not a leave for you. Some Sunday means that is a festival for us. I can take 3 to 4 hours of time because my office will not be available. Got my point? Saturday, Sunday, Saturday, I think my evening batches will be available. I have another batch at the 8:30. Sunday, we can plan long sessions and exams will be available for you on Sunday. Assignments checking will be there on Sunday. Sunday is a full day batting. Sunday is a full day batting, right? So don't think that संडे छुट्टी, मूवी को जा सकते हैं, रेस्टोरेंट को जा सकते हैं, गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ घूम सकते हैं. नहीं, नहीं, you have to cancel all those things for next 6 months of time. Okay, good. So Monday to Monday classes will be available. Some Sundays, monthly one Sunday, I will give you holiday, chutti. Right. So class timings 6 to 7:30 p.m. Session will be available, guys, and you are going to get. If you come to offline classes, you will get hard copy material. I am writing the material for core Java and advanced Java also. Spring Boot microservice already I have it. For core and advanced, I am preparing. In another 1 week, material will be ready. I will give you hard copy book a material. Hard copy material, and for online people, completely I forgot about online. So, soft copy material will be available for online people. For offline people, hard copy material will be available. For online people, soft copy material will be available. And daily class video access backup. So if you miss the session or if you want to revise the session also, that facility will be there for you. Daily class video access will be available. Videos will be available 6 months access. 6 months access will be available for the videos, not lifetime. Okay, right. And next one, lab. Guys, online people, you need to plan your practice accordingly. Lab mentor will be available. Yeah, now, yes, Chandu, yeah, you can come here. So Chandu, he is my previous batch student and currently is working in the IT. He is having real experience. He is the lab mentor for us. He will be available morning from 9 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock. He will be available here. So whenever you are practicing, if you get any doubt, he will be there for you to help. For online people also, daily 1.5 hour doubt discussion will be available. Offline people 9 to 6 at any point of time. He will be there in the institute. He is working from home. If you get any problem, you can reach out to that person. That person will help you to resolve your problems whenever you are practicing. And he will be having one more mentor will be available. They will take your attendance. Who is coming to lab? Who is not coming to the lab? If you don't come to the lab, आपका पैसा वापस मिलेगा. You will get your money back. I will not allow you to come for next session. Okay, Chandu is the lab coordinator for you people. So he will be available from next Monday. From next Monday he will be available. You need to carry your laptop. Lab is available. Yeah, fine. Lab will be available for you people. So in the same floor, there is another gate available now. First gate is there, right? So in that there are 2 rooms available. There tables, everything is available. You need to carry your laptop and you need to practice. 9 to 6 you should be there in the lab. 1 hour lunch break. 1 to 2 again you should come here, or 1 to 3 o'clock. ठीक है, 2 घंटे मिलेगा. So 1 to 3 is a break for you people. You need to be there in the lab. Daily tasks will be available. Exams will be available. Mock interviews will be available. If you need communication skills also, we are going to provide. How to prepare the resume, how to attend the HR interview, how to explain our strength, weakness, self-introduction, all those communication skills also we will provide you. Right. Lab will be open from 7 a.m. to you can come by 9 o'clock, sir. It is open from 7 o'clock. Okay. 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. IST. Lab will be available in the same floor. Online people, they cannot come to the lab. They need to practice in their home only and they need to submit the task. For online people, doubts discussion, daily doubts discussion session will be there for online people. 1.5 hour session we will conduct only for doubts. Regular 6 to 7:30 class will be available. So this is offline people lab. Offline people lab. Online people daily doubts 1.5 hour. I will fix the timing at what time you can connect with the coordinator for the clarification, because when you are practicing you may get some problem. So immediately you can talk to the coordinator. They will tell you how to resolve the problem. This is for online students. Daily doubt session. This doubt session, apart from the class, regular class should they have to attend. If they have the doubt, they need to attend the doubt session, otherwise not required. But for offline people, you need to be there in the lab from 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock. In between 2 hours break for you, 6 to 7:30, class will be available for you. Got my point? Good. Next one. People are asking course fees. 25,000. You can pay this 25,000 in 2 installments. 15,000 is the first installment and 10,000 is the second installment. So the course price is 25,000. And the next one, placement guarantee. Placement guarantee. We have client companies across the India. Most of the companies are in the Hyderabad. They will come to our institute. They will conduct the interview for you. Till you get the job, you can attend the interviews. So we have 20 to 30 companies in our hand. They need the Java resources from our institute. Previously also, we conducted the drives. Our people got selected. To be frank, do you need to attend the interview as a fresher? Do you need to attend the interview as a fresher? Anybody who want to get the job as a fresher, for them, placement assistance will be there. You can attend the interview. We will forward your resume to our companies. But as of now, no student from our previous batches interested to attend the job as a fresher, because you will get 3 to 4 years of experience. With that 3 to 4 years of experience, if you keep the resume, within 5 to 6 interviews of time, you will get the job with 12 to 16 lakhs of package. How to keep that resume, how to attend the interview, how to manage that interview, how to manage that experience, everything will be taken care by me. I will guide you how to attend those interviews also. 2 options. If you want to go as a fresher, we will forward your resume to our companies. Till you will get the job, our support will be there. 1 minute. Excuse me, guys. If you want to go as a fresher, till you get the job, our support will be there. And that too, within these 6 months of time, lab assignments, mock interviews, weekly exams will be conducted topic wise. If I complete arrays topic, on the arrays topic, I will give you 10 problems. You need to solve the problems. You need to submit to the coordinator. Daily, I will take the report from the coordinator who completed the assignment, who not completed the assignment. If anybody not completed the assignment, 1-to-1 meeting with me. You need to justify what is the reason why you are not able to complete the assignment. If you don't complete 3 assignments, I will throw you out from the batch. I want limited strength and I want quality strength. If I get 10 people also, no problem. I am happy. But those 10 people should have dedication, commitment. Then only we can get the success. Unnecessarily taking hundreds of people without monitoring, without doing the assignment, there is no use. If I get 10 students also, that is fine for me. This is my first batch. I want to prove that our students also good in the full stack development. Got my point? So you need to follow the rules and regulations. You need to attend the daily sessions. You should not miss the live classes. Sir, you are giving the video also, na? I will not attend the classes 6 o'clock. I want to go for gym. I will watch the video. Is it okay? No. Every day we are going to take the attendance in the Zoom class also. Who are attending the sessions? You have to attend the live session. Recorded video is just a backup. Don't miss the live classes. There are so many videos in the YouTube for Java. There are so many videos in the Udemy for the Java. But still, why are you coming for the class? Interaction. Interaction purpose, right? So if you don't attend the live session, that interaction will not be available. if you have the videos, our mind will become lazy. हाँ, videos already there ना, कल देख सकते हैं. Tomorrow we can watch. अरे, this Saturday, Sunday, I will sit from morning 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock. I will complete. That is how you will prepare the plan. That plan will fail. Okay, if you have the videos, you will not learn the subject. Our mind will become lazy. So that is the reason backup videos are just for your revision purpose. Don't dependent on only backup videos. You have to attend the live classes. You have to attend the live classes. Attendance is the most important for you. Good. Course is going to take 5 to 6 months of time. Class timing will be 6 to 7 p.m. IST, Monday to Monday. Sundays also working for you. So if session is not there, assignment will be available, or exam will be available, or mock interview will be available. And that too, Sunday. My friends, my colleagues who are working with me in the company, who worked with me in the company previously, those people will come. They will share their experience with you, how they are working in the company, how they are taking the interviews. Because if you just listen to my classes, it is only one-way traffic, right? You need to inquire with the different people. Then you will realize the reality. I will invite guest lectures Sunday. Guest lecture matlab, I mean to say, the people who are already working in the company, they will come for this Sunday session. They will share their experience with you. They will share how they are working in the company. If they are taking the interview, how they will ask the questions. What are the mistakes they identified in the interviews from the students' point of view? They will share their experience with you. That will give you more confidence. That will tell you, that will make you realize in which direction you are doing the course. Are you doing the course in the right direction? Are you not doing the course in the right direction? You can compare with the other trainer who is also a Java trainer, who is working in the company. They are my colleagues in the previous companies and the present company. So those people will come on the Sunday. They will take your interview. That is knowledge check program. They will check your knowledge. So week by week, knowledge check will be available. If I complete one topic, they will explain some interview questions on the topic. They will ask the questions. If you are not able to explain, they will revise the topic for you. Are you guys getting my point? That is the reason Sunday is not a holiday. Sunday, we should be more productive because those people cannot come on the weekdays. They are working. So they will come on Saturday and Sunday. So Sunday, you should be present in the institute. Okay, guys. 6 months time, you need to give me, then you will get the very wonderful opportunity. Sorry? +2? कुछ नहीं होगा. Who will check your percentage? Only TCS company, Infosys company will check throughout to 60% in your academics. In Hyderabad, there are 5,000 software companies are available. 5,000 minus 2. कितना opportunities है? So don't think about negative side. Think about the positive side, right? If you don't have 60% also, no problem. You cannot go to TCS. You cannot go to Infosys. That's it. That's it. There are 4,998 companies are there who are ready to give you the job if you are strong in the subject. Good. Percentage is not a matter to get the job in the IT. Your graduation, your post-graduation or graduation not a matter to get the job in the IT. IT companies will check कितना subject है आपके पास, कितना दम है आप पे. That's it. How much knowledge you have, how strong you are in the programming, how strong you are in the technology, how strong you are in the problem solving. That is important. Your graduation, sir, मैं mechanical किया था. Can I get the job in the IT? 100%. There is no doubt about it. Sir, I am from the civil background. Can I get the job in the IT? 100%. Sir, I have 50% in the 10th class or +2 or BTech. Can I get the job in the IT? Yes, you can get it. You can get it. No problem. Sir, I have some backlogs in the BTech. अभी तक मेरा BTech खत्म नहीं हुआ. Can I get the job? Yes. Yes, you can get the job. How? आपका सर्टिफिकेट को एडिट करो, फेक सर्टिफिकेट बना सकते हैं. You can do that. You can do that. I got my first job like that only. I completed my BTech in the year of 2012. I got the job in the 2013 with 3.5 years experience. That is my track record. I got my first job with 3.5 years experience, but how much gap I have? 1 year. In 2012, I completed my BTech. In 2013, I got the job with 3.5 experience. Sir, how you managed? 500 rupees. I have been to one person who is the expert in the photoshopping. He changed my certificate. I submitted that in the company. 9 years completed. कुछ हुआ? कुछ नहीं हुआ. कुछ नहीं हुआ. Right? So there are so many loopholes in the IT. There are so many loopholes in the IT. I will tell you that. ठीक है? Right. You no need to worry about your backlogs. You no need to worry about your graduation, your specialization, your percentages. Nothing is required. For next 6 months, the focus only on the subject. Only on the subject. I will tell you how to get the job. I will be there with you till you get the job. So if you don't have a certificate, if you don't have a percentage, if you don't have anything, no problem. You need to become master in the subject. There are so many companies who are looking for people who are strong in the programming. So I will make you that strong in the program. Okay? I will tell you all the loopholes, how to get the job in the IT. Out of 100, if 100 people get the job in the IT, 80 to 90 people are fake. 80 to 90 people are fake. Fake experience only. So they are going to create the fake experience. So they have completed their BTech in the 2016 or 17. Now they are attending for the job. 5 years gap is there. What we will do? 2 years. मैं एक बिजनेस किया था मेरा गांव पे, वो बिजनेस इस बंद हो गया. 2 साल बिजनेस चलाया था. 2 साल के बाद वो बिजनेस बंद. I learned Java. I got the job as a fresher. 3 years completed. I have 3 years experience. That person will ask you, what is the proof? LA document. Where you will get the document? If you pay 20,000 rupees, there are so many consultancies who will give you experience document. So there are ways. Now, generally people will keep 3 years experience or 4 years experience by taking the documents from the consultancies, right? So I will tell you how to do that because we are experts in that. Good. Fine, guys. So I hope module, it's up to you, sir. Whenever you want to attend, morning 6 baje. I mean, sorry. No, it will start every week. It will start. Whenever you want, you can attend. Yes, right. So currently one batch is running at 6:30. So you can attend in the next month. One more batch will come. In that batch you can attend. So several, I will give you options. I will tell you when the module 2 is getting started for you. So it will be in the other timing apart from this 6 to 7:30 because in this time module 1 is there. So module 2 will start in the other time slot. Maybe morning 6 o'clock, morning 7 o'clock, morning 9 o'clock, or evening 8:30, or evening 9 o'clock. I will give the information. So now in this, once the admissions are completed, I am going to create one group, one WhatsApp group will be created for you people for communications. Okay. Any class updates, any discussions that you are having, we can discuss that in the WhatsApp group. In the class also, I will inform you when the module 2 is getting started. Okay. Within 6 months of time, at any point of time, you can do the module 2. It depends on your comfort. Okay. If you want module 2 also, offline also, we can conduct. Trainer will come here. They will teach you the classes for offline also at morning 9 o'clock or morning 7 o'clock. We will see the, what I can say, feasibility. Based on that, we can arrange that classes. Okay. Yeah, online people, I will come back to you guys. I will take your doubts. So you guys can interact with me. Give me another 15 minutes of time. I will come back to you. I will take up your doubts as well. Good. So I hope I have given the enough information about Java full stack development. So the prerequisites, nothing. If you are from IT background or if you are from non-IT background, if you are from programming background, non-programming background, whether you are working, not working, that doesn't matter. If you have time, if you have dedication, commitment, if you have the zeal to become a full stack developer, you can be part of this Java full stack development training. The course content, as I told you, it is divided into 3 modules. Module 1 is the backend development. It will take 3 months of time. Core Java, Advanced Java, database will be available. I will be taking all the 3 parts in the module 1. Complete module 1 will be taken care by me. Module 2, you are going to learn the front end. Guys, please plan to attend module 1 and module 2 parallelly so that within 3 months you can complete module 1 and module 2. Module 2 will take just 1 month of time. That's it. Because you are going to learn only these 4 parts. Website designing, user interface, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. 20 to 30 days is more than enough to learn the module 2, right? So within these 3 months of time, at any point of time, you can attend the module 2. Okay. Angular, I'm going to teach. Then next one, module 3. Module 3 is going to take 3 months of time. And again, when it comes to the module 1, daily, one class will be available. Only one class will be available daily. That too, evening 6 to 7:30 or 6 to 8 sometimes. 1.5 hour to 2 hours of time. When it comes to module 3, daily 2 sessions. Daily 2 sessions, because to be frank, my Spring Boot microservice will take 3 months of time. My real-time project will take 3 months of time. So that's why within 3 months I cannot complete both. You need to attend morning 1 class, evening 1 class. Both you can attend parallelly. Spring Boot microservices, real-time project you can attend parallelly. 3 months we can complete both. If you attend everything serially, 1 year it is going to. Got my point? Sir, I will attend Spring Boot microservices first. Then I will attend the real-time project. Then it will take 6 months of time. So I want you people to attend both parallelly. Morning Spring Boot microservices, evening real-time project, or morning real-time project, evening Spring Boot microservices. In the module 3, daily 2 classes will be available. Morning 1 class, evening 1 class will be available. Is this clear? Good. Fine. Front-end development is going to take 1 month of time. Module 3 is going to take 3 months of time, and that too daily 2 classes. The agreement should be very clear. There should not be any miscommunication. Baad mein you cannot come, hey Ashok, why should I attend 3 classes? Why should I attend 2 classes? Very clearly, I'm giving all the information. If you are comfortable, if you are okay, then only join. Otherwise, don't waste your money, don't waste your time. Got my point? Because this course is not just 1,000 rupees or 2,000. Course is 25,000. For a student, 25,000 is a huge amount. So you need to invest at right place at the right time. So think twice before taking the admission. Right. So Java frameworks, it is going to take 3 months of time. Daily 2 classes will be available. 1 class will be there in the morning. 1 class will be there in the evening. Morning 1.5 hour session. Evening 1.5 hour session daily. 3 hours class will be there for module 3. For module 1, only 1 session daily. That too 6 to 7:30. Good. Front-end development, anytime you can attend whenever you are free. Within the 6 months of time, whenever you want, you can attend that. Perfect. Module 1, backend development. Module 2, front-end development. Module 3, frameworks we are going to learn. Spring Core, Boot, microservice, real-time tools, real-time project will be available. Coming to the course details, 5 to 6 months of time. It depends upon how you are practicing, how you are submitting your assignments. So if you are able to, if you are quick learner, then I can push the content. I can give you more content in the less time. If you are a quick learner, if you are not learning quickly, if you are not able to understand, I have to repeat the concept. I have to explain once again. I need to explain in the different ways to inject the subject into your brain. So that's why 1 month buffer, 5 to 6 months. I am hoping that you all are here to learn the subject, not to complete the course. Got my point? If you want to complete the course, you can see two directors in Telugu, Hollywood, Puri Jagannath. वो बंदा क्या करेगा? You know Puri Jagannath, right? What he will do? You are from Orissa. पता चलेगा. Yeah, you know Puri Jagannath, right? You are also right. Yeah. The first day when the movie shooting starts, first day, he will announce movie release date also. Today is the movie start date. Shooting first day, he will announce release date also. 75 days shooting will happen. 76th day, movie is going to release. After release, what will happen? From 10 years, there is no hit for the director. Day 1 starts, he is announcing release date also. Within 3 months, I will complete the movie. He will complete. People will not watch. Story will not be there. Content will not be there. There is another director, Rajamouli, Bahubali director. पता है ना? कितना साल लेता movie देख? 3 years. Is there any commitment? Will he commit the dates when he is going to release the movie? He also don't know. He also don't know when his movie is going to complete, because he will get the quality. He will try for the quality. When you want quality, you have to spend the time. You have to spend the time if you want to get the quality content. And I have seen so many people are coming to institute inquiry. First question they will ask, Java full stack, how many days it will take? That's it. Nobody will ask, will I get the job or not? How many days this course will take? That means they are coming to complete the course, not for getting the job. Your mindset has to change. Don't think about the course content or course duration. Sorry, don't think about the course duration. Think about quality. Content. Think about content. Think about quality. How much you are learning? Are we learning in the right direction? You can compare. You will have some friends who are doing the courses in other institutes, your hostel mates or your friends, colleagues, relatives. You can check with them what Java they are learning, what Java you are learning. You can compare. If you feel they are learning better than us, paisa vapas. Paisa vapas. You can come and tell me, Ashok, I'm not satisfied with your content. My friend is learning Java better than me in the other institute. Okay, I will give you this fees vapas. I will pay the fees for you for that course also. Go and do the course there. After completing the course, again you will come back to here. Sir, my decision was wrong. My decision was wrong. You will realize that there are so many people who completed Spring Boot microservices, real-time project in the other institutes because of less price. After completing, 5,000 money wasted, 3 months time wasted. Again, they joined in the Ashoka because of quality, content, real time. Because of real time. I am a trainer. I'm not just a teacher. I am working in the company. I know what is happening. I am developing the code in my project. So the same scenarios I am going to discuss. So that is the reason our people can crack the interviews easy. Our people are getting the jobs with very high packages. The reason is the content. Okay? If you want that content, forget about the duration of the course. Give me 5 to 6 months of time. Give me 5 to 6 months of time. Class timings I communicated. Hard copy material you will get. Soft copy material you will get. Videos access also you are going to get for revision purpose. But don't dependent on only videos. You have to attend the live classes. Lab facility will be available for you. As I mentioned, coordinator also will be available for you. He will help you for your practice. If you stuck up somewhere, I may not be available in the lab. I will come to the class directly. He will help you to resolve your doubts. Morning to evening, the lab will be open. Sunday also lab is open. At any time you can come and you can practice. You have to practice. Otherwise, there is no use. Now, for online people, you can practice in your home daily. 1 hour dedicated, 1.5 hour dedicated time will be available. Coordinator will be there for them also for the doubts clarifications. And WhatsApp group will be created for the communication. Course fees is 25,000 rupees. You can pay that in the 2 installment. 100% you are going to get the job. If you go as a fresher, we will help you to get the job. Monthly, once or twice, companies will come to our institute to conduct the offline drives. You can participate in the drive also if you want to go as a fresher. But after starting the module 3, you will realize that no need to go as a fresher. If you go as a fresher, how much package you are going to get? 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh. If you go as an experience, 12 to 16. There are people who got 12 lakhs package, 10 lakhs package, 16 lakhs package, 18 lakhs package. It's your decision. I'm not forcing you to go as experience. It's your decision how you want to go. If you want to go as a fresher, we will support you for that. If you want to go as an experience also, we will support you for that. Okay? Yeah. Photoshop. And you will perform better than your team members in the company. Right? So there is no point of survival after completing our project training, right? They are not from Ashok IT. We don't need anybody work support. We don't need anybody interview support. Okay? Ashok IT students don't need any work support. Ashok IT students don't need any proxy support. You will become master in the subject. How much subject I know, I will dump my subject into your brain. Tomorrow you can give the support for the people once you get the job. That much content you are going to learn. You no need to pay lakhs of rupees for work support, for interview support, for proxy support. Whatever the difficulty is there, the difficult we will face in the class itself, not in the job. Okay? Once you get the job, everything should be smooth. Our people became team leads also within 1 year because of that expert in the subject, right? So you no need to worry about work support, proxy support, interview support. You are going to get the quality content. Content is the master. If you have content, you don't need anybody's support. Okay? Good. Any other doubts? So from tomorrow, match start. From tomorrow onwards, our course is going to start. No more demo sessions, no more entertainment. So directly we are going to jump into the subject from tomorrow onwards. Okay? If you are really interested, if you are really having the commitment, if you are okay with my timings, then only come for the tomorrow session. Otherwise, don't waste your time. Okay, guys? So you have to be there in the lab every day. Every day you have to be there in the lab. If you have any girlfriend, tell them 6 months I am busy. I will not be available for you because I am busy with Java. I got another girlfriend. I have another girlfriend which is more beautiful than you. That is Java. So next 6 months you have to live with only Java. Okay, guys? Right. So tomorrow we have the class at 6 p.m. sharp, 6 to 7:30. From tomorrow we are going to start with our module 1. So what are the softwares that are required? Everything I am going to discuss in the session. The mandatory thing is you should have one laptop. You need to have one laptop. The configuration, if you have 8 GB and i5 processor, SSD, that is best. Because when it comes to the frameworks, lot of tools we are going to install in our machine. So system configuration should be little high. So if you don't have a laptop, please purchase a laptop with RAM minimum 8 GB, SSD 256 and i5 processor. So this is the configuration that we need for the system. If you have a laptop with 4 GB, upgrade the RAM. You can go to the computer shop, they will take your 4 GB RAM and they will upgrade to the 8 GB RAM. If you have 8 GB RAM, that will be good for the practice. Okay? So you need to have a system and you can come to the lab and you can practice. Good. So lab will be open from next week, guys. From next Monday, lab will be open, because that is the new room we have taken. We have to do some puja and all formality. So from next Monday, that will be open. You can come and sit from there and you can practice. Chandu also will be available for your coordination. Okay, good. So classes 6 to 7:30 you can attend from tomorrow. So materials I will hand over by next week. So this week these are theoretical session. What is the programming knowledge? What is Java kaise install karna? So this knowledge I'm going to discuss, and you no need to write any running notes also. Whatever the notes I'm typing, after the class is completed, I will share the notes with you. Okay, good. So now all of you, we have a official Telegram channel, guys. You can join with us in our Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel URL Ashok IT official. Open your mobile. Go to Telegram. So this is our Telegram channel. You will get the updates from Ashok IT in the Telegram channel. Whenever the interviews are available, placements, drives are conducting, pre-workshops, new batches, interview questions, materials, everything you will get from this Telegram. Open your mobile, go to Telegram app, search with this name, Ashok IT official, and join in that channel. 12K subscribers. That is Eid Mubarak. No, sir, that is a different group, I think. Some. Okay. Ashok IT official is the Telegram channel username. So join in the updates from Ashok IT. Good. Thank you, guys. Once again, thanks for attending the session. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Online people, now, so it's time for the doubts discussion. Anybody who is having doubt, you can raise your hand.